Hello everyone, let me show you guys something cool I am working on. So as you guys know, like we can use the new variables for the colors now, and because of that we don't have to use the global color sync for the color palettes. And because of that I started to update the panel, SNN-BRX panel, and I moved the color sync end of the tabs and added this warning so you don't have to use it, and still backward compatible just in case, because lots of us using already on the production. And I started to add these tools. Like these tools are a clamp generator. You can calculate 50 20 oops 50 20 accidentally I moved out of the overlay, and when you click outside of the overlay, it closes automatically, by the way, keep it in mind. And you can calculate your minimum and maximum. This is HTML root copy. By the way, of course, HTML root needs to match with your typography HTML. See, it doesn't match. I just added. This should be 16 pixels, 14 pixels, whatever your default is, and make it same with your body default as well. Okay, just better workflow. So, and then we can use this to add, for example, let's add size 50. I made it 50, right? And save it, boom. And then we can add some stuff, boom. And then we can select it and it will become smaller. Look at that, perfect. And this works great. I am thinking about like saving to directly to variables, but I'm on the fence. I need to test some stuff. Like I don't want to rush it, and this system just works. I mean, it's pretty simple tool, and like I don't have to like go to my tools now anymore. I just like, for example, like I use this tool all the time on every project. My thinking was like, I don't have to open an external tool, I can use it here. And most importantly, and probably will be much useful, image optimization. The image optimization does exactly this. It uses the browser, by the way. It doesn't use the server resources. So it doesn't matter how big your image is. It doesn't matter how many image you have. It will just work. The great thing about this is you can convert and download if you want, or you can convert and save to media library. For example, I selected a image. I already tested this stuff, but yeah, let's select this. Anyway, I was going to like get a new image, but it's fine. So if I try to save it before conversion, it will just it will give warning, dude, you didn't like convert it. Click convert first, optimize it. And you can set the width as well. For example, it can be 500 pixels width. The height will be automatically calculated, of course. Aspect ratio will be protected. Optimize it and save it. Boom. Now it is saved on the media library. Let's check if there is any 500 pixel image. Okay, looks like there is. Perfectly working. Its normal size is 1183. So yeah, it worked perfect. And of course it can do chunks. It doesn't have to be one by one, and that's why I love this tool. That's why I always use this tool all the time. Look at that, I even made a short URL for it. And I improved it a little bit more, by the way. Like for this workflow, I had to code other stuff. And let's select multiple. Okay, let's select it, all of them. Why not? And then, yeah, let's make. Wow, and I clicked outside of it again. I mean, it is. Let's make it 600 pixel width. Good thing is like it remembers if you accidentally close it. That's good. And then convert and optimize. Keep it in mind, like if your images are too big or if your images are too many, okay, of course it will take a little bit resource, like it will finish it definitely. I tested like really big files and really big number of images. It just works. So you just need to wait it. That's it. And then save all of them. Boom, that's it. So saving happens in 5 chunks. So it saves 5, and then when first 5 finishes, saves the other 5, and it goes on like that. But it is pretty fast because you are already optimizing, making it smaller, you know, it saves really fast because of that. And let's see if it worked. Yeah, 600 width. Perfect, 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 perfect. And I was going to make this image optimization just like the clamp generator, but when I think about it, like it's pretty easy to develop this because it is native to the WordPress. It is not the same thing for the clamp generator. Like clamp generator, for example, when you save something on the variables, it saves on the BRX VP option table, custom BRX option. Okay, I know where it saves, I know how it saves, but I need to be sure, like before saving some stuff inside the BRX table. I made this mistake once and it created lots of headache for me, and I hate that shit. I hate when that like core update breaks my feature. So that's why for now, at least for now, I'm gonna keep it like this. You can just copy, boom, you can create your variables easily. I think this will speed up our workflow a lot. At least I know for sure it will speed really fast for me. And later on, I am thinking about like implementing something similar for block editor as well, because I am working on the SNN block, and I think I will implement it for this too on the block editor and side editor, both of them. Yeah, let's see. See you guys on the next video. Bye. By the way, this will be released on the next release, of course. It's not out yet. Okay.